What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Synergy. Today we're going to be talking about how to get started with stock investing. We're going to talk about three topics. What apps or platforms can we use to start off our stock investing? What selection process should we determine to select the stocks that we want to buy? And the last thing, we're going to talk a little bit about how much money do you need to get started. So, first up, we talked about our three-step process. We have platform, selection, and how much. As far as platform, the most popular platforms right now that I think are useful, that I would recommend to my subscribers and viewers, are E-Trade and Robinhood. E-Trade and Robinhood both have their advantages. I personally use E-Trade. E-Trade is a little bit more complex. It's a little easier. It gives you more options as an investor. However, Robinhood is right up there as a top platform to use. It's easy. You can download the app. They don't charge you per trade that you do. And that seems to be a great advantage for a lot of people who are new into stock investing and just really want to get started easily without spending a ton of money. So next, the big thing is the selection process for stocks. Everybody has a different selection process. Some people say invest in things that you know, but when I was first getting started with stock investing, I had no clue what to do. I had no idea about a selection process, so I decided to invest in companies that I use on a regular basis just to get started if it didn't cost a lot of money. So my first investments were Amazon, HP, EA Sports, T-Mobile, because that's who my service provider was at the time. And those turned out well. Although for the first year, I was able to see the stocks go up and go down and go up and go down. It really benefited me because, I started off with less than $100 invested with T-Mobile originally. I think it was like $29 when I bought into it. And that really set a platform for me to be able to understand how stocks were going and developing. So the first 4 months that I spent investing was just watching the stocks go up and go down and learning, like, all right, cool, when this news article came out about the CEO, this is the effect it had on the stock. When T-Mobile was discussing a merger with AT&T, this is how it affected the price of the stock. In regards to platform, the platforms are really easy to sign up on. I would recommend that if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android device, go to your store. You go to the store, you type in either E-Trade, you type in Robinhood. There's plenty of other ones out there as well. And the app will pop up, download it. They're gonna ask you a little bit about setting up an account. You will have to give them your banking information. Some require a social security number, but most of these platforms are pretty respectable and have good security. So when you put in your information, you don't have to feel like you're gonna get conned. In addition to that, one of the bigger questions is, how much money do I need to get started with stock investing? Do I need $5,000 or can I get started with a couple hundred? Like I said, I got started with buying stock that was $29. Some people feel as if they need thousands of dollars to start investing in the stock market, which is certainly not true. Only thing that you need to really get started investing in the stock market is a company that you know that you like, maybe about $50 in your pocket. Select a company that you have some type of faith in or whatnot, and then just sit back, register your account, and watch the money go up and down. Once again, this is getting started with stock investing. If you got questions, feel free to post that in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe. KL Lamont signing out.